Hi guys, this is Chelsey and today we're gonna answer some 5 questions by Cebu Design Week. So a big shout out to Cebu Design Week for reaching out to us and the effort, all the effort to keep everyone inspired in these difficult times. So let's get started. What is that one thing that you cannot live without? That is pretty hard because one thing probably coffee. I drink 3 to 4 cups a day and still go to sleep. So coffee it is. Right, powder? Next question. So what did you panic buy? I'm surrounded by pots, panic buy pots, and home decor. So what is the first place you will go after ECQ has been lifted? The first place that I will go after ECQ is my shop. So you guys should check out Project Create. The details are right there. Yeah. So support local, shop local, support local. What are you doing to stay creative at home? I'm gonna show you what I've been doing for the past weeks to stay creative at home. So I've mentioned about me panic buying pots and home decor. So the first thing I did was repaint my whole living room, which is, by the way, I posted my revamp journey on my 8 account, so you guys can check that out. I've been filming my workout session because, come on guys, we gotta sweat off this COVID stress. So this pandemic turned me to a non-plant lady to the plant lady Tita of Cebu real quick. So good thing I live where plants and pots are accessible and not that expensive. Guys, one pot isn't enough, and besides, the more the merrier. Challenge time. So my chosen topic is social distancing. All I have to do is paint or sketch my chosen topic into my pot instead of paper. So I'm just gonna draw random lines, and you don't have to be perfect because nobody's perfect, guys. So just look at the brighter side. That's it. Look at the brighter side. For every, I don't want to romanticize this pandemic, but you have to be positive and you have to change your mindset. There's too much negative vibes and bad news on social media, so change your mindset.